on the basis of the carbon property. And next we see the carbon not only combined with the hydrogen, it also combined with the oxygen, sulfur and nitrogen and halogens also. So on the basis of the combining, we will call those if a carbon combined with a other than hydrogen, those atoms or group of atoms we known as a functional groups. We known as a functional group. Now we see the what is a functional group and examples for the functional groups. Okay, what is a functional group? First write down the definition for the functional group. Functional group means the properties of hydrocarbon is influenced or depends on an atom or a group of atoms is known as functional group. What is a functional group? The whole properties of hydrocarbon, the whole properties of organic molecule or organic compound is depends on an atom or group of atom is known as a functional group. Functional group. Now we see the examples for the functional groups. Those are alcohols, ethers and aldehydes, ketones, acids, esters, halohydrocarbons, and amines. Okay, example for the functional groups are alcohols, ethers, aldehydes, ketones, acids, esters, halohydrocarbons, amines. All are the example for the functional groups. Okay, now we see one after other the functional groups and example for that type of organic molecule. First we see the halohydrocarbons. Halohydrocarbons. Here the halo indicates that hydrocarbon, already we know the carbon and hydrogen compounds. Halo means the hydrocarbon has halogen atoms, either it is a one or a more. Halogens means the seventh A group elements. The seventh A group elements are known as a halogens. Examples are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are known as halogens. If the hydrocarbon is combined with a halogen, those are known as halohydrocarbons. Okay, and here halohydrocarbons. The general formula of halohydrocarbons is RX, where R is known as alkyl group. That means a hydrocarbon chain. X is a halogens. Here R have a general formula CnH2n plus 1. What is that? Here the general formula of halohydrocarbons is RX, where R is known as a alkyl group and it has a general formula CnH2n plus 1. Here N is started from 1, 2, 3, so on. Substitute the formula and write down the alkyl groups. If a C is a 1, that is a CH3, and if a N is a 2, C2H5 and C3H7, etc. Here write down example for the halohydrocarbons. CH3Cl, C2H5Cl, or C3H7Cl, etc. These are the examples for the halo-hydrocarbons: CH3Cl, C2H5Cl, C3H7Cl. What is the halo-hydrocarbons? Halo-hydrocarbons means in hydrocarbons, one of the hydrogen is replaced with a halogen. Those are known as the halo-hydrocarbons. Halo-hydrocarbons. Here halogen means the 7th group elements are known as the halogens. Those are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. If you take any halogen and write down a general formula for halo-hydrocarbon is RX. Here R is the alkyl group, and the general formula of alkyl group is a CnH2n plus 1, where N is a 1, 2, 3, so on. CH3, C2H5, C3H7. Example: CH3Cl, C2H5Cl, C3H7Cl. In the place of Cl, if you take any halogen, this is according to a halo-hydrocarbons. And go to the second one, alcohols. Simply, alcohols are the organic compounds. Those are formed due to the replacement of one of the hydrogen in water molecule with alkyl group. Such molecules are known as alcohols. What is the formula of water? H2O. Here HOH. One of the hydrogen in water is replaced with alkyl group. That means R is known as ROH. Is alcohol. Here also R have a general formula CnH2n plus 1. CnH2n plus 1. That means examples for alkyl groups are CH3, C2H5 and C3H7, etc. So the example for the alcohols are CH3OH, C2H5OH and C3H7OH. Okay, alcohols are the molecules. One of the hydrogen in water molecule is replaced with the alkyl group. Those are known as the alcohols. Or alkyl group have a general formula CnH2n plus 1, where here N is also started from 1. So CH3, C2H5, C3H7 are example for the alkyl groups. So example for the alcohol: CH3OH, C2H5OH and C3H7OH. Next we will see the another one, that is ethers. In the above case, alcohols will replace one of the hydrogen with a alkyl group. But ethers are formed the replacement of two hydrogens with two similar alkyl groups or different alkyl groups. Such molecules are known as ethers. HOH. Two hydrogens are replaced with two similar alkyl groups or different alkyl groups, where R equal to R dash or R is not equal to R dash, but R and R dash have same general formula, that is CnH2n plus 1. CnH2n plus 1, where also N is started from 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay, see the examples for the ethers. Example: CH3O, CH3, CH3O, CH2, CH3. These are the examples for the ethers. And next we will see the aldehydes. Here the aldehydes have a general formula RCHO. RCHO. Aldehydes. RCHO. That we also write RC double bond O H. The C double bond O group is known as a functional group here. Here aldehyde has a general formula RCHO. Where also R is known as alkyl group, but here it has a general formula here also CnH2n plus 1. But the N is started from the 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. If you keep a 0 means C0, H 2 into 0 plus 1. That means H, CH3, C2H5, C3H7. What is that? Aldehyde has general formula RCHO. We will write RC double bond O H. Here R is equal to, R is known as an alkyl group. It has a general formula CnH2n plus 1. But here the N value is started from 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay. So means if we take a 0 in the place of a N, we will get the H. And 1 CH3, 2 C2H5, 3 C3H7, so on. Substitute the H, that formulas alkyl groups, and write down the example for the aldehydes. Example H, CHO, CH3, CHO, C2, H5, CHO. These are the example for the aldehydes. Okay. Aldehyde has a functional group CHO. RCHO is the general formula. And next we will see the another functional group, that is a ketone. Here it also has a functional group, that is a C double bond O. But here the another two valencies of carbon is satisfied with the other two alkyl groups. Those two alkyl groups may be same or different. Okay, both aldehyde and ketone have a same functional group, that is a C double bond O. But here the other two valencies of carbon in aldehyde is satisfied with one is a alkyl group and another one is a hydrogen. But in a ketone the other two valencies are satisfied with the other two alkyl groups. Here R may be equal to R dash or R may not be equal to R dash. That means both are same or different. But both have a general formula, that is a CnH2n plus 1. Here N is started from 1, 2, 3, U1. We have a CH3, C2H5, C3H7, so on. Substitute the N value and write down the example for the ketones. CH3, C double bond O CH3, or CH3, C double bond O C2H5. That C2H5 we also write like a CH3, C double bond O CH2, CH3. Okay. Here C2H5 is also wrote like CH2, CH3. This is according to our functional groups, aldehydes and